Anytime now, gates open. They're up and racing for the 2010 Pilracom Garnet 4. We have Pinakamagaling draws for your lead right here, right now is by the rail second. Then comes Final Judgment, and trailing the group is Lakota Creek 1A as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, two runners in a battle royale by the rail right here, right now. Pinakamagaling is on the outside. Down in third is entry number 3, Final Judgment. And Lakota Creek is still running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Right here, right now, this time, Bayanan running on the outside. Pinakamagaling, almost as one this time. Final Judgment remains in third, and Lakota Creek is still bringing up the rear, heading towards the last 600. It's still right here, right now. Bayanek, and on the outside is Pinakamagaling. Moving up by the rail is Lakota Creek. Final Judgment with the last 450 meters. It's still right here, right now. Lakota Creek 1A moving up down on the inside. Pinakamagaling and sneaking in his Final Judgment. With the last 250 more to run, we have Lakota Creek 1A now takes command right here, right now. Firing back on the outside. Final Judgment is by the rail with the last 75 meters. This one right here, right now. Another Jeff Sarati Mount winning this race over 1A Lakota Creek, Final Judgment, and Pinakamagaling.